there is a nice breeze that is flowing through this living room, so you don't even have to worry about investing in an air conditioning unit because you will always be cool. Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. But firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you, yes you, who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 13,000 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today we're heading to Oakland to check out a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment courtesy of Dr. Mikkala Barrow-Roberts from Keller Williams. But you don't know my style already. I'm about to flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there. Alright, so Akeem, out.
Hi everyone, I'm Mikkala. Thank you for coming to my open house. Today we're featuring a 1-bedroom apartment in this lovely community of Oakland. Please, may I entertain you with some snacks? When you're through, please take the elevator, head on upstairs to the 6th floor, see that luscious view, and come back.
I hope you guys are excited as I am to check out this 1-bedroom space. Let me close the door behind me so it doesn't slam, because there is a lot of breeze and that's something that we welcome in an apartment. So as you step on the inside, you realize there is a grill right here for additional security on your door. The lighting fixture is to my right. There's a nice mirror right here, and as you can see, this is a open concept space, but it does have furniture and it is selling with the furniture at $25 million. But if you don't want it with the furniture, it is for $24 million. All right, now let me step off to this side where I'm going to show you that there is the nursery right next door. So if you have children, you have the option of having them stay right next door, so you don't have to worry about picking them up in the evening. And then as you can see, you have 2 persons over there exercising, playing a bit of tennis. There is a tennis court, and there's also a jogging trail. There's a football field across the way as well. There are several parks over here that you can sit and relax and unwind in the evenings. And there is a nice breeze that is flowing through this living room, so you don't even have to worry about investing in an air conditioning unit because you'll always be cool, and you get nice scenic views of the mountainside of Kingston from your living room. So this is your dining table, this is your entertainment area. Have a space for the refrigerator, stepping into your kitchen area, have your nice sink, and of course you can modernize this space over time, but it can be used right now for the time being. There's not an issue. There is a water pump, there's a water tank, and there's a water heater for this specific unit. Personally, this is your bathroom. Single vanity, have a nice mirror right there. You have your lighting fixtures up above, nice candle. You have your toilet, shower. That's a shower. You have the raised edges so water won't run out while you're taking your shower. You have a nice shower cubby over there, and you have your window right here that you can look out and see what's going on in the parking lot. And I didn't mention that when we were looking through the living room window, but there is absolutely ample parking over here. If you have a million cars, you can have or will have space to park them over here. Again, this is your primary suite. You have an air conditioning unit, and this is an inverter air conditioning unit because of course we're always looking to save the planet and also conserve on electricity, as we know that those prices are high at the moment. There are 2 closets inside here and a chest of drawers or a dresser with a mirror. And again, if you want these appliances and furniture, they are yours, all the painting, and that's at 25 million. If you don't want them, it's priced at 24 million. So they'll move all of this stuff out for you. Now, from your bedroom, you get an absolutely beautiful view of Kingston. You can see the waterfront, you can see down by the wharf, you can see the Kingston Harbour. And then again, living in this particular apartment complex, you are close to a lot of shopping, entertainment, and a whole host of activities in and around the Kingston area, because of course this particular apartment complex is slapdash on Constant Spring Road. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this 1-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. Comment down below and tell me how much you guys liked it, what you would change, what you would improve. Tell me what you love about it, and tell me if you would make that purchase. Don't forget to follow Mikkala. I'll put her Instagram page right here, and also I'll leave her number here where you can contact her so you can make your purchase. I want to leave you guys with my quote that I always leave in every video, and that is, don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. That has been enough from me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. AB signing out.